Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to remove compound clip that you have used in Filmora. It is a very quick and easy step, so let's dive in. First, open Filmora on your mobile device and select the video from where you want to remove the compound clip from. After you've selected the video, tap on the compound clip you want to remove, then tap on the delete icon on the far right here, and this will delete any clip. And this will delete any video, audio, or any external clip that you have imported to Filmora. It is a simple step to remove compound clip, which will make your video more minimalistic, clean, and fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.